So here we are tearing down 8274, approximately 40 years old. As you can see, we got a little play down here. I suspect that's probably going to be a bearing or something, but yeah, the spool's got some float. It's hard to tell, but you can see on the right hand side, wiggy wiggy wiggy. Not sure if it's supposed to wiggy. Over on this side, the infamous brake and engagement. This actually has got some good play to it. Or rather, it works pretty well when I've got two hands on here, but I don't. Anyways, trust me, it works alright. And the brake assembly, which broke my ring pliers because apparently mine are not strong enough. We need something heavier duty to get that snap ring off so we can disassemble and get it ready for a new brake kit, because I have no idea what the condition is this one is in. Like I said, 40 some odd years old.